Namaste. The Global AI Impact Summit is a defining moment in India's tech history, a moment when India pledges to make AI one of the driving forces to realize its dream of a Viksit Bharat, the dream of becoming a fully developed nation by 2047, the glorious centenary of our independence. We are deeply honored that our most respected Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi, is the guide, philosopher, and leader of this summit. Honorable Minister Sri Vaishnav and his wonderful team deserve full praise for organizing this summit on a grand scale befitting India's ambition. Modi ji's vision of AI powered Viksit Bharat is also a template for a Viksit Global South. If wisely used, I believe AI can usher in an era of superabundance, a world without poverty, and a future of prosperity for all the 8 billion people on our beautiful planet is now within sight, within reach. Friends, artificial intelligence is not just another technology. For the first time, humans are creating human like systems that can learn, speak, analyze, move, and produce autonomously. AI is the mantra that powers every yantra or every machine and system to work faster, better, and smarter. I see AI as a modern day Akshay Patra, the legendary vessel in Mahabharat that provided endless nourishment to all. Likewise, AI offers limitless augmentation in knowledge, efficiency, and productivity. We are only at the dawn of this era. The best of AI is yet to come. Distinguished participants in this summit, today the world is debating a profound question. Will AI concentrate power in the hands of a few, or will it democratize opportunity for all? Do we act as isolated nations or as a united global family? Our polarized world stands at a fork. One path has led to a situation where AI is scarce and expensive, compute is concentrated, data is controlled, and capability is locked behind barriers of capital and geography in the global north. In this dismal scenario, inequality widens between nations, within societies, and across generations. But there is another path, a future where AI is available, affordable, and beneficial to all. As our Prime Minister said, India believes in this second future. Dear friends, from the podium of this summit today, I want to make a bold prediction. India will emerge as one of the greatest AI powers in the world in the 21st century. My confidence is validated by an undeniable truth. In the coming decades, no country in the world can match India's strength in demography, democracy, development, digital infrastructure, data generation, AI harvest. Let me begin, as was said many times this morning, what India has achieved in the past 10 years. First, India is the world's largest mobile data consumer. Nearly 1 billion internet users, data costs among the lowest globally, and in terms of quality, there is no difference between Delhi and the remotest Indian village. Second, Aadhaar, 1.4 billion digital IDs. Third, UPI processes over 12 billion transactions monthly. Fourth, India ranks among the top three startup ecosystems with 100,000 startups and 100 plus unicorns. Fifth, India's secure and inclusive digital public infrastructure stack is now being adopted by countries around the globe. Friends, in all humility, I wish to state that Geo, with over 500 million loyal subscribers, was privileged to play a leading role in this transformation across broadband, 4G, 5G, and home connectivity. With equal humility, I would like to announce that Geo will play an even bigger role in India's AI transformation. Today, on behalf of the Reliance Group and Geo Intelligence, I want to make three announcements. Announcement one, Geo connected India to the internet era. Geo will now connect India to the intelligence era. We will deliver intelligence to every citizen, every sector of the economy, and every facet of social development and every service of government. Geo will do so with the same reliability, quality, scale, and extreme affordability that transformed connectivity. India cannot afford to rent intelligence. Therefore, we will reduce the cost of intelligence as dramatically as we did the cost of data. Announcement 2, Geo together with Reliance will invest 10 lakh crores over the next 7 years, starting this year. This is not speculative investment. It is not for chasing valuation. This is patient, disciplined, nation building capital designed to create durable economic value and strategic resilience for decades to come. Distinguished participants, the biggest constraint in AI today is not talent or imagination, it is scarcity and high cost of compute. Therefore, here is my third announcement. Geointelligence will build India's sovereign compute infrastructure through three bold initiatives. One, gigawatt scale data centers. We already started construction on multi gigawatt AI ready data centers at Jamnagar. Over 120 megawatts will come online in the second half of 2026 this year, and a clear path to gigawatt scale compute for training and large scale inference. Two, our green energy advantage. We have an in-house energy advantage with up to 10 gigawatts of ready green power, surplus anchored by solar in both Kutch and Andhra Pradesh. Three, a nationwide edge compute. An edge compute layer deeply integrated with Geo's network will make intelligence responsive, low latency, and affordable, close to where Indians live, learn, and work. From kirana stores to clinics, from classrooms to farms, intelligence will live at the edge. Our resolve is clear: make intelligence as ubiquitous as connectivity. When compute becomes infrastructure, innovation will become inevitable. Friends, geointelligence is guided by five non negotiable principles. First, AI for India's deep tech and advanced manufacturing leadership, reaching not just large enterprises, but agriculture, small businesses, and the informal sector. Geointelligence will not simply be a search or an ask tool. It will primarily be a resource for multiplying productivity and efficiency. Second, world leading multilingual AI capability across all Indian languages. When farmers and artisans speak to AI in their own words and students learn in their own mother tongue, this is not convenience, this is inclusion. Geo AI भारत की भाषा में बोलेगा, भारत की संस्कृति में फूलेगा और भारत की मिट्टी में फलेगा. Third, responsibility, security, data residency, and trust as Geo's core guarantees, not afterthought. Fourth, we will provide, we will prove that AI does not take away jobs. Rather, it will create new high skill work opportunities. And fifth, the AI story has shifted from who has the best model to who can build the strongest ecosystem for speed and scale of usage. Therefore, we will build deep partnership ecosystem with Indian enterprises, startups, IIT, IISC, and research institutions. We will work shoulder to shoulder with India's leading industrial groups to embed AI across manufacturing, logistics, energy, finance, retail, agriculture, and healthcare. We will empower startups with affordable compute and co development platforms. We will aspire to produce global breakthroughs in compute architecture, foundation models, and energy efficiency, designed in India, rooted in our values, powered by our talent, and scaled for humanity. And we will partner with the very best tech companies in the world, not as importers of intelligence, but as co architects of a new AI century. Dear friends, I believe that social relevance, not momentary craze, should drive AI growth in India. Geo has already started AI applications for the most pressing challenges in inclusive development. In education, we have Geo Shikshak, an adaptive AI teaching assistant in 22 languages. When 250 million school children and 50 million students in higher education are empowered by AI, teachers, no power on earth can match India's talent wealth. In healthcare, Geo Arogya AI delivering first medical guidance in under 5 minutes in local languages on any phone. In agriculture, geokrishi, converting satellite imagery and precision weather into simple voice first advice to 140 million farmers to help improve their income. In everyday life, Geo Bharat IQ, a voice first AI companion helping Indians learn, earn, and access government services at Bharat scale. From wearables to fully connected homes, Geo Frames, an AI glass device, and next generation AI devices will make intelligence truly ambient, as effortless, and as natural as human conversations. Through Geo Hotstar, AI will multiply Indian creativity with multilingual storytelling. We will popularize India's rich cultural heritage with futuristic technology, enhancing India's soft power globally. Friends, this inaugural Global AI Impact Summit in India has received a massive response. What does that show? It shows that AI is now becoming a people's movement worldwide. The success of this movement hinges critically on global cooperation and not polarization. Be it chips or rare earths, AI works its magic through sharing, not hoarding, through collaborations, not conflicts. The unique strength of India is that India serves as the vital bridge connecting the global south and the global north. After all, south or north, east or west, all of us have only one earth, one family, and one future. Today, at this summit, let us all pledge to transform this noble aspiration into reality using the most powerful gift of the human mind, AI. Let us combine intelligence with empathy and let